Hey, how you doing? Joey Lawnmower here. I gotta get something off my chest. Something off the dome that's just been getting me. There's too many phonies these days. Too many phonies trying to cut it in the industry. You know how long I've been working? You know how long I've been working on this? I grew up my whole life cutting lawns. Joey Lawnmower, don't play games. I got 6 toes. Now on 1 foot. Not a freak. 6 toes total. Cause I grew up mowing lawns. I didn't have no bubble pop. You pushing the bubbles pop. No. I had real blades. Real blades. I'm a little wobbly when I walk, but it was worth it for the life experience. And now all these phonies with mommy and daddy's money trying to come on Joey Lawnmower's turf. No. It ain't right. It ain't right. You think just cause you got a little bit of cheddar that you can go buy some lawn equipment and impede on me? No, this is my neighborhood. This is my area. This is my state. Everyone knows me, Joey Lawnmower. I ain't start this lawnmower right here in 2 months. In 2 months, but by sheer will and skill, I'll start it right now. And that's the Joey Lawnmower promise.